Every journey begins somewhere. Once it is ready, its weight tells the story. After that, sound confirms ripeness. Next, harvesting begins. Once it is ready, the vine is cut by hand. After that, weight demands careful handling. Then, harvested fruit is grouped for collection. Next, assisted systems help increase efficiency. Human judgment still guides every movement. After harvesting, transport begins. Next, the fruit is prepared for movement. Once lifted, each melon is placed by hand.
After that, assisted lifts reduce strain.
Then, the load is secured for travel. Next, the journey moves beyond the field. Once it reaches the facility, control shifts to industry.
After that, unloading begins.
Next, quality is confirmed again. Then, processing truly begins. After that, cleaning and sorting follow. Once inside, cleaning begins immediately. After that, surface dirt is washed away. Then, rotating brushes scrub the surface.
Next, sanitization reduces microbial risk.
After that, clean water removes residue.
Then, sorting and inspection follow. Next, quality is assessed again. Once cleaned, each fruit is inspected again. After that, the surface is checked for damage. Then, size and shape are assessed. Sometimes, sound confirms what the eye cannot. Those that pass continue forward. Others are redirected. Next, the fruit is cut open. Once approved, cutting begins.
After that, the fruit is opened.
Then, sections are reduced further. Next, the paths divide. Meanwhile, juice production begins. After that, the processes continue separately. Once separated, fresh cut processing begins.
After that, the rind is removed. Then, portions are cut evenly. Next, seeds are removed where needed.
After that, the pieces are rinsed. Then, excess moisture is removed.
Next, packaging follows.
After that, the fresh cut path is sealed. Next, freshness is sealed. Once filled, portions are checked.
After that, sealing follows.
Then, containers are closed. After sealing, cold storage preserves freshness.
Fresh cut watermelon is now ready.
Meanwhile, the juice path continues.
After that, sealing follows.
Meanwhile, juice production begins.
Once fed, the process is continuous. After that, the flesh is broken down. Then, juice begins to flow. Next, seeds and fibers are removed.
We extract gently to keep the flavor clean.
After that, the juice is collected.
Next, the juice is refined.
Next, the juice is refined.
Once extracted, the juice is refined. After that, excess pulp is removed.
Then, clarity is achieved.
Next, the texture is finalized.
After that, the juice is held briefly.
This step controls how smooth the juice feels.
Next, safety is ensured through heat. Once refined, the juice is gently heated. Then, temperature is verified continuously. Once refined, the juice is gently heated. After that, harmful microbes are neutralized. Then, temperature is verified continuously. This pause ensures safety.
We heat it carefully to protect quality.
After that, temperature drops quickly.
Next, the cold level is confirmed.
Then, the juice is held cold.
Then, the watermelon juice is cooled immediately.
After that, temperature drops quickly.
Next, the cold level is confirmed.
Then, the juice is held cold.
We keep it cold to protect freshness. We simulate no wall.
After that, packaging begins.
Next, the juice is packaged.
Then, the juice is held cold.
Now, the juice is packaged. Once filled, consistency is checked.
Then, each fill is verified.
After that, containers are sealed.
Next, the exterior is cleaned. Then, the juice is prepared for transport. Next, distribution begins. After packaging, the cold chain continues.
Then, pallets are loaded carefully.
Next, the load is secured. After that, transport begins. The journey remains temperature controlled.
Then, the warehouse receives the load.
After that, unloading begins.
Next, cold storage takes over. Then, the juice enters cold storage.
After that, pallets are placed on racks.
Next, inventory is checked.
The cold chain is maintained.
After that, stock is organized.
Then, orders are prepared.
Next, distribution continues.
From storage, the final journey begins.
Next, delivery is underway.
After that, the load is secured.
Then, pallets are loaded for retail. The cold chain never breaks. Then, retail receives the delivery. After that, the product moves inside. Next, it reaches the shelf. Finally, the journey reaches the shelf. Cold, sealed, and ready. After that, the product moves inside.
Then, a choice is made.
After that, one is chosen.
One bottle leaves the line.
The rest continue waiting.
Next, the final moment.
After everything, it becomes a moment.
Then, it's opened.
Next, it's poured.
And finally, it's tasted.